Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is the last day of our 10 days of one pan recipes and we are going to make one pan fried rice. Don't forget to check out all the recipes that we have created, and also if you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Firstly, let's dice up the vegetables. We have mushrooms and carrots. I'm using 4 mushrooms and a large carrot here. We also need corn, peas, rice, egg and some sauces to bring the flavors into this dish. I have 3 cups of rice here. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps to remove excess starch so we can have fluffy rice. Place washed rice in the rice cooker pot and start adding the vegetables. I'm using frozen peas and frozen corn here. Now let's add 5 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. We add sugar here to balance the flavors with vinegar and soy sauce. Then add the egg in the middle. Add about 3½ cup of water. Place this in the rice cooker and let it cook. Here our rice is ready now. Give this a good mix and serve with some spring onions and sesame seeds. Fluffy rice with vegetables, and the best thing is this only takes about 10 minutes to prepare. Here we are at the end of our 10 days of one pan recipes. See you next time with another delicious recipe.